Dubs, what do you recommend off the top shelf?
Well, I had yogurty type dessert, and that was really nice and refreshing. Fresh fruit,
Gorgeous, isn't it?
sprig of mint.
Tasty.
Yeah, absolutely lovely. Yeah.
Hey, look on the website, guys, if you want to come and try the country club out. You don't have to be a member. They have got a golf course and a golf club here, but you don't need to be a member. Just come down for Sunday lunch, or we're having afternoon tea today. But it looks like Damo's eating most of it. It's Damo there, guys. That's Damo.
That's hungry. That's hungry, boss.
He's the main man down here. If you need any information, send him a message. What's your number?
07976 827734.
So if you want any information on buying one of these stunning lodges over here, look, on the country club, looking over the golf course, Damien
Beautiful, isn't they?
Damien will help you out as much as he can, yeah? He's very, very knowledgeable.
That's the one.
Can't get my words out these days. I need to go and see a speech therapist, I think. Do you reckon? So we've had cheese and onion, ham and cheese, tea, orange juice and lemonade.
Scones.
Damon's had 6 scones.
And those...
2 actually.
These little cakes on the top, they're nice.
Afternoon tea is amazing, isn't it? Even Kevin's eating today and he didn't eat much. He's walloping it down. Oh, those there are to die for, those Russells, Dubs.
Very nice Scotch eggs indeed. Still warm.
Yeah, Scotch eggs, isn't they?
Freshly made. Yeah.
What's that one? Dub?
Some sort of profiterole, I think.
Nice.
It's got a nice filling inside, nuts on top, a little bit of icing.
What's yours like? Because I tell you something, they're my favourite.
That's banging.
That is absolutely stunning, isn't it? I'd rate this food 10 out of 10.
That's up there with the best of them.
I haven't really been for afternoon tea. Have you ever had afternoon tea before, Tubbs?
No, first time.
I think
Highly
so.
recommended.
And what a beautiful location down in Somerset. You've got more at the top there, Tubbs. Kev, do you want one of your scones?
The Scotch egg's still runny inside.
I know, that's my favourite.
So it must have to be cooked to perfection every time to get that quality. And
Well, he did say, because we didn't order. They want you to order, by the way, guys, in the country club down in Breen, if you're coming for afternoon tea. He did say that it'll take 30 minutes to get ready, and he must have cooked it all fresh or made it all fresh. No, the scones are nice as well.
yeah, beautiful. They're still warm.
I'm going to try a scone. I just got to let this food go down. That I tend to eat slow these days. I've lost some weight now.
I think I found it.
No, you haven't. You're still handsome. Tubbs, are you eating that Scotch egg?
Shall I?
Crack on.
Yeah, eat it. Because that's the best part of the afternoon tea. I think so. What do you think?
Lovely jubbly.
That is lovely, jubbly stuff. Yeah.
Stunning.
We're going to Western Supermare in a minute. Me and Kevlar. We're going on the big wheel. Are you coming, Damo? You can finish early today, can you? Finish early today?
No, I've got to work. I've got stuff I've got to need to do.
Have you? Right, guys, we're in the country club in Breen, Unity Beach. If you want any information, contact Damo or send me a message. I'll pass it on. And listen, I appreciate you watching. See you guys.